Okay, three of you here. Ready? Come here. Come, three of you here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Dai, ikaw mag-picture. Si G-boy, ikaw ano? Ay, nangi, pang isa.
Talaga naman. Christmas agad. Umuwi na siya. Subong ko lang yun.
Siyan, quickly.
Ay, Diyos ko siyan.
Din pa sa nagtawag pa sa nag-una pa sa tawag tapos mangigal isa.
Wala ka na lang.
Wala ka na, ginatag mo na sa neighbor. Kaya na din. Okay, this one is DeAndre.
This one's mine.
Yeah. Dugay kayo mo utod.
Tani kung kugod siyan.
Okay. Come here, ito. Okay, Andre. I think this one. Into. Then Chian, open.
What will you say?
Thank you.
Open
Enzo?
everything.
Hindi na sila. Oy, what will you say first?
Open one by one.
Chura things.
Open all of it. Take it out one by one.
Ay, salam na.
May pang school ka na, Dre. Wow, school na siya. May panikip pa. Oh, JJ. Open, take out all of it, Andre.
Grabe ni shopping ni Nila. Tandaan mo, mami.
One week na nila naka-school.
Wow.
Andre, there's some more langga.
Like the apple one. Can I help you?
Yay! Ano more ready? I-check ko na, no? Si langga, oh, your clothes, oh. Oh. Then this one, your pajama.
JJ.
Then your
Well, what's this?
going to
This is mine.
school.
JJ again.
This one is, you supposed to be this one, Incho. Use, mali.
Is this Enzo's?
Yeah, Inchos.
Ay, ito na nakin mo size, oh.
Inchos. And then Chians. Wrong si Mita. Chian, come here. Ay, napulo ta ka.
I should wear this to my first
Ay,
day.
kunta. Hindi ko sure kung ano na lang yung haba. Tama sa'yo.
Shot lang.
Sabi? Ang sabi?
Pang
And this one,
first day of school yung ano.
first day of school.
Wow, legit genius.
This one, oh, kay Andre.
First day of school.
First day of
Ang
school.
boga na yun.
Then, the second one is this one.
Right.
For second day of school. Yay! And this one, your pajama.
Ano, had a JJ.
Pajama. Then,
Si Andre na lang-
next
si
day of
Andre na
school.
lang, ano, ang talo nito.
next day of school.
Excited.
Yeah.
Dito na,
This one is your pajama. Yay! It's nice.
What's
Nabili. Alam mo na first day of school,
What's
legit genius.
This one.
What's this?
Payo ka mo mga suksok sa isang adlaw.
Same school.
Same school sa isang adlaw. Yay! 1 week
Wapa,
yun ang
yun
school
ba?
lang. 1 week. Pare-pareho.
Actually, balik na.
Echian. Puro ranking ko ako parang nangin. Parang ito ang naging XL kay wala eh.
Pares nung sa isang halo. Tapos, kaya first day of work na lang yung favorite. Apple. Umaya ka na. Pag may apple doon.
Yeah. Okay.
Yan.
Yari pa. Ay, hindi na pag-aboy. Pwede pa na
Sa birthday nyo sa Christmas. Happy sa birthday sa Libanda. Good morning. You liked it? Okay. I didn't hear you say. I didn't hear you say thank you daw.
G-boy.
Ang sweet kiss mo na, sweet kiss.
Okay na.
Wow. Thank you. Isipan, baby. Bugat, babe.
Buga din.
Wow.
What's wrong with the fan? I don't know.
Wah. Jawa magpaano na, si mo kilala ko na may pugad
But
niya.
cooler is
Kay baby.
Wow, pugad mo ba?
Kay baby.
Wow, thank you, Nita.
Kabagangkot si baby.
Dami-dami niya, ano ba?
Cute ang iyang ano. Cute ang iyang ano.
Wow, may ubi.
Buti din ni baby. Din ba makakuhanggot kita mo kamo ba yung ano?
Then we take off the cake.
Ha? Yeah, sure.
The cake.
O, baba ba po?
Kill
Gusto
us.
yan.
Hindi pwede yung tulog. Hindi pa.
Ah,
Thank
okay.
you.
Here's
Hindi ka na lang
the
bakal. Pamaloy ka pa.
Let's go back to
cake.
You wear that later after.